In case you're having Hisense Android Smart TV app problems like app not loading, not opening, frozen apps, or if apps keep crashing, whether it's Prime Video, Disney+, Sling TV, Spotify, or any other streaming app that's not working, all of these Hisense TV app problems can be fixed with some easy troubleshooting. So without any further delay, let's get your apps fixed. As all of these streaming apps require internet to function properly, first of all ensure that your Hisense Android TV has stable internet. What you can try to troubleshoot your internet is forgetting your Wi-Fi network and then reconnecting to it. You can also try using a different Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot and see if the apps work. If the apps are still not working even with a different network, then it's very important that you check your TV's system time, because wrong system time can make your whole TV slow and the apps won't even load. So to check your date and time, go to Settings, then Device Preferences, select Date and Time, and first try turning on Automatic Date and Time. Now your TV's time will be updated whenever you're connected to the internet. Also, some streaming apps doesn't work when VPN is enabled. So if you have VPN, try turning it off temporarily and see if it fixes the issue. After ensuring these, you should also check that your Hisense Android TV has the latest software. To check that, you'll need to open Device Preferences, About, and System Update. If you're still having various problems with apps, then it's time to give your Hisense TV and also your Wi-Fi router a cold boot. You'll need to unplug them from power and wait patiently for around 5 minutes, then plug your router back in, and after it's on, boot your TV back up. Still no luck? Then let's try uninstalling or clearing the cache of the apps that's malfunctioning. Just open Settings, go to Apps, find the app that's causing trouble, press OK, and first try clearing the cache of the app and relaunch it. If that's not enough, then if it's not a built-in app, you can try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. But make sure you have the login credentials. And if it's a built-in app such as Prime Video, then you'll need to clear data and also uninstall updates. After that, reinstall them or open back the built-in app and hopefully they will start afresh with no issues. Unfortunately, even after following all these steps, if the apps are not working properly on your Hisense Android TV, then as a last resort, you can hard reset your TV to factory default, after which you'll need to set it back up, but it will definitely fix all the apps and you should be able to enjoy entertainment once again. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.